Hey, greetings viewers. Thanks for joining Oswald and joining me out here in the driveway. Big ass bumpers on the Chevy. Alright, I did these videos and one other. I got windows tinted here on the Silverato as well by a local guy. Did a great job. Oswald loves that. But I digress. I built these big ass bumpers and I made a couple videos, and I thought I'm gonna put this on a Patreon and people will want to watch me build shit and curse some more, drink a beer, smoke a bowl, whatever might happen on a Patreon video that YouTube isn't super monitoring. And then I thought those would be my friends. And all I gotta do is go over to their house and hang out. So why would I charge people to watch videos when I can continue doing them the way I've always done them? Now, man, I love this front bumper. I kind of wish I would have saved that video. I hope you guys like it. That is one big mean push bumper. Next time I head up to my buddy's house, he's got a super swamper tread I'm gonna cut down and hopefully put across the bottom. Yeah, I love it. Oswald loves it. Slim loves it. This truck, I never thought I'd be so happy to have me a Chevy truck, okay? I love this truck. I've been dechroming it. It's still got the chromy Silverato bumper because it is a Silverato or a Silverato. I don't know if you can see that. I've added the temperature gauge. I wired that in. I'm about to put my trailer brake on. I've put a little over 3,500 miles on this truck so far. I just love it. It rides so nice down the highway. Yeah, these bumpers are fork truck extensions. They were 7-foot long fork truck extensions. This is 3/16 plate, and I threw some weld on it to give it some grip so your foot don't slide. All right. So a nice step. The dual exhaust came on the truck. I was able to use a plasma cutter and cut that collar out that goes around there. These are some Toyota front hooks that I've added on for to hook my chain. I've towed with it once, but I haven't hooked the brake up. I'm getting ready to do that. I cut a foot off of these, and that's what has become the returns on the bumper. Now, there's a big gap here and no gap here because these get wider and thicker as they go across. But I cut the same amount off on either side, built me a nice step. This push bumper, I love it. I don't know if someone else already has this design. I kind of made this up as I went along. I wanted to showcase the lights and make sure they had all the chance they could have. Yeah. I know the Jaguar's gone, but there's that Jaguar emblem on the hood. I like it. Oswald wants to play ball. I blacked out the mirrors. I took all the Silverado trim off the sides. It's still got the big Chevy on the tailgate. I like that. Anyway, yeah, so I thought about doing a Patreon. Yeah, I decided that probably was not a good idea. She's oh shit approved, that's for sure. Now, I didn't wire the light up on this gauge with the wires on the back, but if I'm driving a long time at night, I can reach right on the back and wire this light up. Otherwise, I don't drive this truck at night a whole bunch because it is so comfy and nice on the highway. But anyway, it has got the crappiest headlights. Okay, I did polish them, but I haven't put new bulbs in them. All right, enough about that. Dechroming the truck. I love the truck. I don't know what I was thinking, trying to make a set of videos just for, Patreon only. And I don't know, man. People want to make money, right? Just, like, subscribe, comment. Those things give me, everything I need. And if you don't want to, that's cool too. But anyway, I hope you're enjoying videos about the C1500. It's about ready to make a trip and deliver the mini truck. That's right, the mini truck's going to Liam. Silverato's going to deliver it. You don't even know what this 56 Pontiac wagon is doing here, but you'll find out. The Tundra on 35s is amazing. Lots more to come on that. That's not mine. That's not mine, although I wish it was, because it is super cool. But as I do some work on it, you'll get to see it. Yeah, it's got an LS motor in it. Again, it's not mine. She's a beauty, though. All right, enough about that. Thanks so much for joining me out in the shop, out in the driveway. Hope you liked the bumpers. Wish I would have showed you some more. If you get a chance to get to fork truck extensions, definitely take them. Those were being thrown away, of all things. Anyway, enough about that. You know how I love to make everything out of nothing. Thanks for tuning in. Sure do appreciate you. I love you. Thanks for joining me for some mediocre automotive content. Have a super great day.